Welcome to Odoo 17, the next generation of business management software. Unlock the full potential of your business with Odoo 17, the latest release of the world's most popular open-source ERP system. With a powerful suite of integrated applications, Odoo 17 empowers organizations of all sizes to streamline their operations, automate workflows, and drive growth like never before. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, Odoo 17 offers a comprehensive solution to manage every aspect of your business. What's new in Odoo 17? Enhanced user experience. Odoo 17 introduces a revamped user interface with a modern and intuitive design. Enjoy a seamless navigation experience and improved usability across all modules. The new UI provides a fresh look and feel, making it easier than ever to access the features and information you need. Advanced manufacturing features. Odoo 17 comes with expanded manufacturing capabilities to optimize your production processes. From planning and scheduling to quality control and maintenance, the enhanced manufacturing module allows you to streamline operations, reduce costs, and deliver products faster. Enhanced e-commerce platform. Take your online business to new heights with the upgraded e-commerce module in Odoo 17. Benefit from advanced features like abandoned cart recovery, upselling and cross-selling, dynamic pricing rules, and personalized customer experiences. With seamless integration to inventory, sales, and marketing, you can efficiently manage your entire online store from a single platform. Intelligent sales and CRM. Odoo 17 introduces intelligent sales and CRM features to help your sales team boost productivity and close deals faster. From lead management and opportunity tracking to automated follow-ups and smart forecasting, Odoo 17 provides the tools you need to streamline your sales processes and drive revenue growth. Powerful accounting and finance. Manage your finances with confidence using Odoo 17's robust accounting and finance module. With features like automated bank feeds, advanced reconciliation, multi-currency support, and customizable financial reports, you can streamline your financial operations and gain better visibility into your company's financial health. Enhanced project management. Odoo 17 brings significant enhancements to its project management module, allowing you to effectively plan, execute, and monitor projects of any size. Benefit from features like Gantt charts, resource allocation, timesheet integration, and real-time collaboration to ensure project success and deliver projects on time and within budget. Streamlined HR operations. Simplify your human resources processes with Odoo 17's comprehensive HR management module. From employee onboarding and attendance tracking to performance evaluations and payroll management, Odoo 17 helps you streamline HR operations, improve employee engagement, and enhance workforce productivity. Why choose Odoo 17? Integrated solution. Odoo 17 offers a fully integrated suite of applications that cover all key aspects of your business operations. Say goodbye to data silos and disconnected systems and experience the power of a centralized platform that seamlessly connects your sales, CRM, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, HR, and more. Open source and cost-effective. As an open-source ERP solution, Odoo 17 provides the advantage of being highly customizable, flexible, and cost-effective. With no upfront license fees and the ability to modify the software to fit your unique requirements, Odoo 17 offers an affordable solution that grows with your business. Scalable and modular. Whether you need a single module or a complete ERP system, Odoo 17 allows you to start small and scale as your business evolves. Add new modules and functionalities as you need them, ensuring that Odoo 17 adapts to your changing needs and requirements. Experience the power of Odoo 17 today. Discover the endless possibilities of Odoo 17 and revolutionize the way you manage your business. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations, improve efficiency, or drive growth, Odoo 17 provides the comprehensive solution you need. Experience the power of the next generation of business management software. Get started with Odoo 17 today. Contact our team to schedule a demo or learn more about how Odoo 17 can transform your business. For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com. Or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.